Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'll be comparing the specs of the newly announced Oukitel RT7 Titan, the rugged tablet with the biggest battery in the entire world, with the Blackview Active 8 Pro. This tablet from Blackview is also one of the best rugged tablets. It is packed with decent specifications and features. So in this video I'll compare the specs of these two rugged tablets to see which of the two rugged tablets packs the best specs. It's just a specs comparison video. I don't think it's enough to decide which tablet is better than the other. So this video is just to point out the differences and similarities, and of course to see which of the two devices packs the best specs. If you're new here and you're interested in comparison videos like this and the latest tech updates, then kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. The Oukitel RT7 Titan is of course the first rugged tablet that supports 5G, while the Blackview Active 8 Pro is powered by MediaTek's most powerful 4G processor, the Helio G99. The Helio G99 is actually faster than the Dimensity 720, in case you do not know, but the Dimensity 720 is a 5G processor, so it supports 5G connectivity, while the Helio G99 is a 4G processor, doesn't support 5G. And also the Oukitel RT7 Titan is the smartphone with the biggest battery in the entire world. Its battery is bigger than that of the Active 8 Pro, but the Active 8 Pro also packs a really big battery. It's a 22,000 mAh battery. Even if it's not as big as the 32,000 mAh on the RT7, it is still a battery that I know could last a week on a single charge. So these are the major differences that I was able to point out. Which of the two rugged tablets do you think pack the best specs? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.